and we are working today on what we call the prerequisite lecture. So what's this prerequisite lecture all about? Well, you probably know students can do Unit 3-4 biology in Year 11, in Year 10 even, I suppose, although maybe Year 11 is probably the first one, but you don't always have to have done Unit 1-2 biology. Whereas most other subjects, they do tend to direct you to do the Unit 1-2, which is the Year 11 standard, before you do the Unit 3-4, the Year 12 course. So because there is this, you don't need to do Unit 1-2, there is assumed knowledge that you have learnt in junior school, but at a sophisticated level enough to be able to pick up 3-4 without it. And not all schools have done that sort of level of biology in their Years 7 to 10. And what happens is when the teachers come to do Unit 3-4, yes, we do touch on these points again. So we don't teach the whole Unit 1-2 course and 3-4 together. But there are certain aspects of the Unit 1-2 course that we really do need to make sure you know. The thing is, in Year 12, or when you're doing Unit 3-4, you don't have time to really go into it in great depth and slowly enough for students to often really get the grasp of it. That's why at School for Excellence, we offer this prerequisite lecture first. And what I'm going to be doing is covering, I guess, some of the key ideas from Unit 1-2 that are not taught in Unit 3-4, but are assumed knowledge. And I'm also going to touch on some of the other ideas that are covered in Unit 1-2 and are also redone in Unit 3-4. Those ones I won't go into as much depth. I'll just surface skim them so that when you come to the later lectures that you're doing with us in our lecture series, then greater depth will happen with those. But I think it's a really wonderful idea that School for Excellence has done in introducing this prerequisite course. We just found that students were jumping into 3-4 and were floundering a bit, just find it really difficult in some ways to understand some of the concepts because they were missing some of the basic information. Some of the terminology we use in Unit 3-4 are words that we learned in Unit 1-2.